Subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our newest uploads. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, you're going to learn how to install Facebook Lite on your Android device. To do this, open Play Store. Inside Play Store, click on the search bar and you can simply type Lite to find the Facebook Lite app. Then press install. Once your download is completed, the app will be installed on your device and you can use it to your wish. In this way, you can download the Lite app on your Android device. If you found this video helpful and informative, do not forget to drop a like and we will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.